What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Dudes Tech. Today, we are checking out the best electric bike for adults that brings power, safety, and modern features together in one ride. If you want a smooth and comfortable electric bike for daily use, this one is worth a look. Let's get started. Today, we are talking about the Otida RX50 electric bike for adults. This electric bike is built for riders who want strong performance with extra comfort and safety. The Otida RX50 electric bike for adults is designed for city rides, daily commuting, and longer trips, giving you a stable and enjoyable riding experience. One of the best features of the Otida RX50 electric bike for adults is the front fork suspension. This suspension helps reduce shocks when riding on rough roads or uneven paths. Because of this, the bike feels smoother and easier to control, even when the road is not perfect. Safety is also very important on the Otida RX50 electric bike for adults. It comes with a hydraulic brake system that gives quick and soft braking. This allows you to stop smoothly and safely whenever needed, which is very helpful in traffic or sudden situations. For better visibility, the Otida RX50 electric bike for adults has giant headlights that make the road clear at night. It also includes seat tail lights that help vehicles behind you see your bike easily. These lights make night riding safer and more comfortable. Another great feature is the aluminum alloy frame. The frame of the Otida RX50 electric bike for adults is strong but not too heavy. It resists rust and damage so the bike stays durable for a long time while still being easy to handle. The bike also comes with a color LCD display that shows important riding information. You can check speed, battery level, and other details while riding. With the multifunction switching, you can change riding modes easily to match your needs. Charging the Otida RX50 electric bike for adults is very convenient. You can charge the bike directly or remove the battery and charge it separately. This gives you more flexibility at home, at work, or while traveling. The build quality feels solid and modern. The Otida RX50 electric bike for adults has a clean and sporty design that looks good on the road. The strong frame and balanced shape make the bike comfortable even for longer rides. In real life, this bike is great for going to work, riding around the city, or enjoying weekend trips. The smooth suspension, strong brakes, and smart display make every ride easier and more enjoyable. This bike is perfect for adults who want a reliable electric bike with modern features and good safety. It is a great choice for daily riders, commuters, and anyone who wants a comfortable electric bike. Ready to upgrade your ride? Check the price link in the description to see the latest deal. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more tech videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.